In this video, we are going to be showing how to install a select corner sections with butted shelves using an H channel. Once all select sections have been installed, reference your design printout to determine which shelves need to be scribed. These will be designated on your printout as cut shelves on open ends. Install shelf support hardware and begin scribing. It's important to note you may be scribing and cutting both fixed and movable shelves during this process. Once shelves have been scribed, cut along your scribe line. To learn more about best practices for cutting select shelves, visit our installation page for more details. To cut your H channels, begin by measuring 13 inches, marking appropriately and cutting along the marked line. Repeat this process until an H channel has been cut for each shelf. We recommend using a hacksaw or battery-powered bandsaw. Attach the H channel by sliding securely into place against the side panel. From there, place your shelves by angling the cut end into the H channel and lowering the opposite side onto fixed resort bolts or movable shelf pins. Tighten fixed shelf cams as needed.